This is Doris Charest with the 1 Minute Book Review. Paper Transformed by Julia Andrus. I have to admit, I didn't think I would like this book, but it turned out that I did. It has all kinds of techniques that I had never seen before, how to create different patterns and techniques, and really easy to follow instructions. It's a really interesting book. Stenciling, creating patterns, creating design. I ended up using more of this than I ever thought I would. So these are all samples on small pieces of paper, and you can try them out, and then at the end it shows how you can use some of these. And stippling and stenciling, and the end products are beautiful. I ended up using a lot, like I said, of this book. So don't be afraid to go through this book and check it out. Paper Transformed by Julia Andrus. This is the 1 Minute Book Review by Doris Charest. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.